In this video, we're going to show you a simple and space-saving way to increase biodiversity in your garden or outdoor space. A mini pond in a container. To start with, you're going to need some sort of container. We chose this upcycled oak whiskey barrel, which has been chopped in half to form a bucket, still complete with subtle peaty flavors. The best spot in your garden is where the pond gets light, but not full sunlight all day. We picked this corner of the garden. We decided to leave it above ground. If you're going to do this, you'll need to make a ramp up to the top. We piled up these rocks at the back of the bucket. We're going to be adding plants to the pond, and they will need a substrate to grow in. Luckily, we had some of this aquatic soil in the Ecosapien workshop. You can buy this from suppliers online. Gravel is a good substitute, but won't contain the same organic nutrients for lush plant growth. Once you've added a 10 cm layer of soil to the pond, the next step involves patience. Don't use tap water to fill the pond. This contains chemicals and too many nutrients. Use rainwater instead. We're in the UK, so we didn't need to wait too long. Next, we need to add rocks inside the pond to act as a ramp for anything that needs to get out. We chose a variety of rocks and bricks we recycled from around the garden. You want to pile them up like this. Next, we get to add the plants. Use native aquatic plants from your part of the world and try to get a variety of submerged and marginal species. We recommend 3 to 5 plants depending on how big your container is. You can keep your plants in their containers, especially if you've used gravel as a substrate. Because we have a layer of aquatic soil, we removed and planted them. Now, planting them made things get a bit murky, but after a few days, the water was crystal clear. And there you go. A perfect little aquatic environment in your garden. We had one last finishing touch. Luckily, we had these guys just sitting around in the EcoHow workshop. Well, not exactly. We went on a little pond dipping trip and caught these little common toad tadpoles to add to the pond and introduce amphibians to our garden ecosystem. Now just sit back and watch what life turns up in your garden. We would love to see your mini pond creations. So send us any photos of your ponds to our website and we'll be sure to share them on our socials. Link is in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Ecosapien channel.